Do you struggle with plotting? A simple, easy-to-follow template for writing a fictional story is the W-plot, perfect for all levels of writers. The W-plot structure allows you freedom to create, yet keeps your story on track all the way to that grand, satisfying end. Hi, I'm Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today I'm going to break down each step to take the frustration out of plotting and give you tips to write a story readers will love. What is the W-plot? The W-plot is a 4-act structure writing template named for the way your story takes shape with highs and lows. Each point on the W is a major event with 5 total. What is a 4-act structure? The W-plot takes the traditional 3-act structure of storytelling, beginning, middle, and end, and divides the second act into 2 equal parts, creating 4 parts of your novel to focus on instead of 3. Dividing your novel into acts, different sections, allows you to concentrate on the smaller pieces of the story one section at a time. Since the middle section of your fictional story is the largest and hardest to write, it helps to break down this act into 2 parts. Whenever you take on a large project, such as writing a book, it is always helpful to break down your goal into smaller chunks to keep momentum and stay focused. Each leg of the W-plot corresponds to one of the 4 acts of your fictional novel. Put this template on a poster board where you can see the direction of your story as you write. How can the W-plot benefit non-plotters, also called pantsers? These are writers who write by the seat of their pants without much pre-planning. The W-plot allows writers a direction to go in, even if they do not have the whole story figured out yet. Simply put a sticky note or perhaps even a cutout picture at each point on the W-plot structure to signify what major event may occur at that point in the story. This way, you can see how key events of the story line up and evaluate if you need to change any to make the climatic ending of the manuscript stronger. Ask yourself, how does one point on the W-plot lead to the next? Instead of floundering or going off on tangents, this easy, loose plot format will help you write a cohesive story that makes sense from beginning to end. How to write a novel with the W-plot template. There are 5 points on the W-plot template. Start at the upper left of the W and follow along as we review each one. First, we have the trigger event up at the top. Your main character is living his ordinary life in what he considers his ordinary world when something happens that changes everything. This can be a threat, a call to go on a quest, an attack by an opponent who wants to stop your main character from achieving his goal. It is something your main character cannot ignore. He is presented with a major problem that needs solving or his life will never be the same. This starts the character off on the story-long journey. This trigger event is also referred to as an inciting incident. Next, we have the first turning point. The main character's life goes downhill from the trigger event as they try to figure out a way to overcome the problem or consider what is needed to go on this story-long journey. The character weighs the costs and consequences if they do not take action. Finally, your character must make a decision and create a goal to overcome the problem, an action plan that they hope will lead them to triumph. This might require teaming up with someone the main character dislikes or leaving his comfortable way of living behind to venture out into new territory. This decision to go on the journey, accept the challenge, or take action to overcome the opposition is the first turning point for your main character. It turns the story in a new direction. The character's life will now be different. Number 2, second triggering event, also known as the midpoint of your novel. Your main character has been in an upswing as he or she learns new skills, gains knowledge, gathers resources, and allies who may help overcome the story problem and achieve the story goal. The protagonist has had some setbacks, but the second triggering event is a huge blow. Just when your character believes they may be on the cusp of achieving the goal, something devastating happens that changes everything once again. A mentor may die, leaving the character to go forward on their own. A life-altering secret may be revealed. A new foe may emerge, forcing the character to team up with a previous opponent to defeat the bigger threat. This second triggering event deepens the original problem and complicates things. Second turning point, also known as the dark moment, where the character cannot see the way forward and believes all is lost. This second triggering event sends your main character on a downward trajectory as they deal with a major complication or fights against the new opposition trying to stop them from achieving the goal. The opposition seems to gain the upper hand, and at the second turning point, allies may fall away and everything seems to unravel. Characters may betray one another or be given a piece of false information or have a wicked argument. Perhaps the opposition attacks with a strength that causes the main character to believe there's no hope of ever achieving the goal or defeating the enemy. It is the dark moment of the soul. There doesn't seem to be any possibility of a resolution. Next, we have the resolution. This shows the reader how the story ends. Everything comes to a climax at this point, often a face-to-face confrontation between the main character and the opposition. The main character either achieves the goal or does not. In many stories, right before the resolution, the main character will gain new information or insight into the situation. This lifts the protagonist out of the dark moment and motivates them to make one last effort to achieve the goal. The main character regathers the team, necessary supplies, utilizes the knowledge, skills, and resources gained from the story journey to finally outwit or overcome the opposition and achieve the story goal, or not, depending on whether you want the character to win or lose. Five points to plot the bare bones of your fictional novel. Figuring out these 5 points of the W plot in advance can save you frustration, time, and mental energy. Brainstorm with a writing partner, a trusted friend, or critique group. Writing is fun when you know which direction the story is headed. Enjoy the journey. Who created the W plot? Many credit Mary Carroll Moore with the creation of the W plot, which she says helped her storyboard her fictional novels. Best-selling author Karen K.L. Doctor is also credited with the teaching of the W plot in her various workshops. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you have questions or would like to leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. You can also visit aspiringwriteracademy.com for more valuable information. And if you would like help with your story, I invite you to click the link below and download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet filled with 7 pages of fill-in-the-blank templates and examples to keep your story moving forward.